I'm sending $100 to 2 of my subscribers. They have 2 hours to try to multiply trading meme coins and prediction markets, but here's the catch. I've got $100 too. If I make more than double what they make combined, I take my money back. And if I can't beat them, they keep everything, the profits and the original $100. So by the end of this video, we'll find out something very important. Is it actually possible to make money in meme coins and prediction markets with very little experience, or is everyone just getting lucky? Let's see what really happens. Let's get into it. I started off by sending this message to my Telegram community. It pretty much said, if you want to join this challenge, send me a short video explaining why I should choose you. And the responses started coming in. From all the videos I got, these 2 stood out the most. Some people just sent voice messages, text messages, and some even sent videos without sound. These 2 guys seem to have at least some experience in meme coin trading and prediction markets, so they're officially my final pick. Guys, can you turn on the camera so my lovely viewers can see you? Please introduce yourself.
Most of my trades are so risky, but in this challenge I will do more safest strategy to defeat Vladify.
How much do you think you're gonna make today, realistically? You have $100, how much do you think you're gonna make?
I think I have a chance to make 1,000.
Please introduce yourself.
Oh, Alex here. What? Sorry, like 2 souls, to be honest.
What if I lose everything?
Alex is trading meme coins, Bogdan is trading prediction markets, and I'm trading meme coins. I need to make twice as much as they make to keep my own money. Okay, everybody understands the rules now? Let's get into it.
Yo, what's up guys? Markets, I got 1 solana and I transferred it. I just didn't know how to use Polymarket. What if I'll win? Oh, we don't. Nice.
Alright guys, Bogdan has placed his first trade. Now let's have a look at our other competitor. Both of the competitors are doing great. Now let's have a look on my side. Potato egg pop is going insanely viral on TikTok. Sweet potato egg? How is this a sweet potato egg? If the name is actually Pearl and not Lily, this can cook. Let's just throw in 0.4 Sol. If it's actually Pearl, then I mean, the other one is at 100k. And we had the same shit with the alien coin, if you remember. We had alien meta like 2 days ago, and someone misspelled coin in alien language. And that coin ended up pumping to 70k. And then as soon as everybody found out that the coin is misspelled, the other coin started pumping. And it ended up reaching like 150k.
It went up. Oh my god. Let's buy more, because I think it will go down in foam.
Little did he know this might turn into his biggest mistake of the video.
20 minutes later.
Larry Wheels slapped the shit out of someone for hitting on his wife. He literally sent him flying. It was going insanely viral. I mean, valid reaction. Okay, shit, I missed that. What the fuck? We're up like $100 on this one. We're gonna sell 100% here. I don't care. Apparently the name is actually Pearl. We're gonna sell off this one. We don't care about it. We're already up like $70. Fuck, it's at 100k already. Maybe I should have played it by the book.
I placed around 50% in this bet. I really noob in this predict markets. Let's see. I feel really nervous. Oh my god. Please go down. My PC is fucking laggy. Oh no. Please go down. 2 minutes left. Oh. To be honest, I think it will go down. Because 1 minute it's very long time. We just need to go here. 6, 7. Okay, more. Because risk of art is very big.
Rigby, you're so cute. You're Rigby, you're not rugby. Let's just add it to the watch list and forget about it for a bit. Or let's sell it. But okay, I wanna give my fellow competitors a chance. I wanna give them a chance to make at least some money.
I feel like once it migrates, it's gonna pop off.
Meanwhile.
Why I placed 50% of my wallet? Why? Oh my god, we fucking lost. Oh my god. Okay, we have 1 more hour, but it will be so hard.
Bogdan is choosing a completely different path by using ChatGPT. Let's see if he'll be able to make more money than Alex. Similarly, Alex is trying to use Telegram trading channels to get better trades.
Consolidation pattern, and you see it here. Oh, you can see if Bitcoin go down, I will win 30 and lose 5. If it go up, I will lose 20, but I will win 80. Yeah, I will buy again, because you can see here, and maybe here.
Oh, bro, what the fuck? Let's go. No, up, no, yes. Get the fuck, yeah.
Two hours later.
What's up, guys? How did it go?
I lost everything.
I cannot hear you, Alex. 0.1 Solana.
Oh,
Okay, that's money, bro. Profit is profit. That's great. Okay, guys. Unfortunately for you, I made a bit more.
no, how much more?
I made 0.8. I made 0.8 Solana. But because I really appreciate your time, I value you being here. You can keep everything. I'm really sorry, Bogdan, that it turned out this way. Yes, bro, you can keep it. I really hope that this experiment taught something to my subscribers and to you. Join my Discord and Telegram through the link in the description to stay in touch with me. Subscribe to my channel not to miss interesting money experiments. And I really hope to see you in the next video.